All right, here we come to both elevator cars at Bushnell in San Antonio, Texas. We're gonna take this one first. This is an American elevator. I love that call button. Love this cab. This is beautiful. American Elevator Machine Company. All right, we're gonna go to 7. Here we go. It's gonna be. Or it should go. All right, we're gonna go ahead and exit. I wanna get a good view of these fixtures. There's your phone, forgot to show that. I love this elevator cab, this is beautiful. Although it did get a fixture replacement. And that right there is your interlock right there. We're gonna close this up. And we'll catch the other car. And it's still here, good. That's original. This one's got a fan on. Up to 7. This one's got a fan on. All right, let's go down to B. And we get a full detailed view of this cab. This one does not have the mirrors in it. Here's your phone right there. And we should be good to go. All right, here we're at the basement. We'll get a one last good view of these fixtures. See, the fixtures were definitely replaced, but I really still love this elevator nonetheless. It's got to be one of my favorite kinds in San Antonio. All right, let's close this up. As we are proud to become an American. So with that being said, hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and that is going to be it.